Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I designed. Check it out. It is a delicious origami roast turkey. You want a piece of it? Yeah? It's pretty delicious. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Took me several tries to get the design right, but finally, I got it. And this is what I'm satisfied with. Alright, let's get started. So for this model, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. So we're going to begin with the right side up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half the other way. We're going to make a water bomb base. Now take the corner and fold to the top. This is a pretty simple model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model. Turn over and repeat. Now open the pocket, bring the sides together, and flatten. And there's the water bomb base. Alright, now take this corner and fold it to here, but just make a crease mark. Right there. And now fold to the crease mark. And this time you can fold all the way across. Now unfold, and now we're going to sink this point inside. So open, and there's a square of creases. Pinch those mountain folds. And then now, make a water bomb base right here. And there you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up in between this point, and we're going to fold it up so that this edge touches this point. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, now take this corner and fold it to that point. Alright, I'm going to zoom in, unfold it, and reverse fold. Okay, and then now fold this flap up like this, and then now fold the raw corner down, like that. Alright, now lift this up and squash. Sorry about that. Alright, and there you go. And let's repeat on this side. So fold like that, unfold, reverse fold, and then now fold the flap up, and then fold the raw corner up like this. And then now open and squash. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up so that this corner touches this edge. And we're folding right on that point right there. Alright, that's what it looks like. Now unfold, and let's fold this part behind on the existing crease. Alright, and let's unfold that, and repeat on this side. So fold this corner to this edge, and we're folding right on that point. Take a sip of my drink. We got Chick-fil-A for dinner. Okay, unfold, and now fold the flap behind on the crease. Okay, and unfold. And now we're going to do is we're going to turn over, and we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to this crease. No, actually not to the crease, but we're actually going to fold it. We're going to fold it so it goes beyond the crease like this. and then we're gonna make a squash here, and we're gonna fold on this crease here. So watch me make the fold first before you even start. So fold like this. Just watch me, and then I'll show you. I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it. There we go. Alright, now I'm gonna show you. So take all these layers, fold them like this. We're not folding to the crease, we're going beyond. And then we're gonna fold this like this, and then we're gonna make a squash here, and we're folding on that existing crease as we're squashing it, like this. All right, and that's what it looks like. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model. All right, so if you didn't get it on this side, you got another try here. So we're gonna fold this like this, and the idea is we're gonna make a squash fold, and we're folding on that existing crease. All right, try and keep the layers together too. All right, and then make the squash. All right. So these are the two bones right here. And now we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna fold it to this edge. And then now fold this up, unfold, and now open the pocket. And then stick it inside. And repeat on this side. Alright, and now we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this edge here. And might as well repeat on this side. Okay, and now we're going to make kind of a rabbit ear right here. So just pinch the corner right here, about like that. And I guess you can flatten it like this, just to taste, and repeat on the side. So let's just pinch to the corner here. I'm taking these edges and bringing them together, and then I'll flatten it like this. All right, and now just shape the model to taste. And then once you do that, your delicious origami roast turkey is all done. Yeah, I just cooked it. Yeah. So there you have it. And do you want to know what I'll be teaching next week? Check it out. This is the $1 butterfly. And I showed this model in one of my previous videos I did recently. So yeah, so I'll be teaching this model next week. So for this model, if you want to learn it, click right here when it's available. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this origami turkey and were able to make it. And make sure you subscribe and have a happy Thanksgiving. Alright, bye-bye.